My name's Kristina and I am the office manager here for Bay Maples. My favorite part about this job is this guy right here, who's currently trying to escape me. Are you making us look bad? Go this way, smile. My favorite part about this job is working with Bernie, helping manage the crew here and making sure everybody has what they need. He's done, that's it. Yeah, he's been working here about a decade longer than me. It's different. It's definitely a different type of crew than I'm used to taking care of, but it's a good, tight-knit little family here. And there's a talented group of people here, and they sort of bring their own skills into their work every day, and everybody's got a great sense of humor and has passion about what they do. There's an ethos in this company where people want to take more responsibility as far as how we treat our Mother Earth and how we treat the land around us and the resources that we have, and it brings a different style and ethic to their work.